Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 AI tool challenge. Today I'm going to show you how can use Otter AI. And honestly, this tool feels super useful for real life because it can record meeting, transcribe conversation, summarize discussion, and generate note automatically. So let's get started. So first go to in browser and search Otter AI. And now click start for free. And here you can sign up with Google or Microsoft. Once we are in, you can see this dashboard. Okay, now let's test the main feature. So the first one is live recording. You just need to click on the record button and you need to allow, and now Otter start listening. So I'll say something simple. So today we discuss social media marketing strategy for fitness brand. And look, it's converting speech into text live. So this can be really useful if you want to take note during your meeting or any discussion. Okay, now let's move to another feature, import audio and video. You just have to click on import icon and upload your file. Here you can upload mp3, mp4 audio file, meeting recording. I just uploaded a simple video and now click on go to transcript. Now you can see auto transcript automatically. And the cool part is you can even search inside transcript. So now let's search something. So I'll type humanizer and enter. And you can see it find exact moment in transcript. And this would be super useful if you have a long meeting. The best part about Otter AI is you can record any live meeting. So it will work with Zoom, Google Meet or Microsoft Team. You just have to go to meeting and copy and paste your URL and start recording. And you can also connect with a Zoom account so note taker can join your meeting and it can take notes during your meeting. So honestly, this is really practical AI tool and it will save a lot of time, especially if you attend a lot of meeting or lecture. So that's all for Otter AI and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.